So now third, why delta H mixing not equal to 0, that is greater than 0, that is the positive, because there is the stronger force between A and A, stronger force between B and B, so there is the more energy is required for the breaking of bond. But there is the weaker forces for between A and B, and all of you know that during the formation of force, formation of bond, energy is released. But weaker force is formed, then less energy is released. In stronger force have to break, then more energy is required. So required energy is more, but released energy is less, and hence the process is endothermic. And all of you know, in endothermic the value of delta H is positive. So that is the delta H is not equal to 0 but more than 0. Now example of this, that is the ethyl alcohol plus cyclohexane, acetone plus carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, and chloroform. So these all are example of non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. As in the case of ethyl alcohol and cyclohexane, ethyl alcohol and cyclohexane, C2H5OH and cyclohexane, that is this. So this is the non-polar and that is the polar molecule. So ethyl alcohol have the hydrogen bonding, cyclohexane, that is the non-polar, that is the van der Waals force. So before to mixing, this ethyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol have the stronger intermolecular forces, but after the mixing, ethyl alcohol and cyclohexane have no chance for such type of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, means due to coming of cyclohexane, and hence weaker forces form among these, and that's why vapor pressure, that is the all thing is positive. That's why this is come in the head of non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. So that is the graph. XA equal to 1, XB equal to 0, XA equal to 0, XB equal to 1. We have seen in back side, that is XA equal to 1, then that become equal to P naught A, and XB equal to 1, then that become P naught B, and that is the total. So PA equal to PA plus PB. So that is for ideal, non-ideal showing positive deviation. This is for the ideal solution. This PA equal to P naught A into XA, PB equal to P naught B XB. So this is for ideal solution. Here mole fraction and vapor pressure. But for the positive deviation, so like this ये बढ़ जाता है like this. So thick line for the ideal solution and dotted line for the non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. So this is the first non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. Now non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. That is the first point. PA less than P naught A into XA. PB less than P naught B XB. Delta V mixing less than 0 equal to negative. And third point, delta H mixing less than 0 equal to negative. So if solution is non-ideal, that's showing negative deviation, so that is represented as. Now question arises, why that is less than 0 that become equal to negative. इसको हम इस तरह से, जैसे वहां पे समझाया, इस तरह से समझा सकते हैं. AA BB and after there is the formation of AB. Here AA, that is the weaker force, and here stronger force. Before the mixing AA के बीच में वीकर फोर्स है, BB के बीच में वीकर फोर्स है, और फिर इस A और A के बीच का फोर्स टूटेगा, BB का फोर्स टूटेगा, तो A और B के बीच में नया फोर्स बनेगा. So for the breaking of AA force, BB force, lesser amount of energy is required, whereas there is the formation of stronger force between A and B, and hence large amount of energy is released. So released energy is more, but required energy is less. Required energy less, released energy is more, and hence process is exothermic. And all of you know, when process is exothermic, then the value of delta H is negative. So हम अगर तीनों बात को बारी बारी से बताएं, एक हमने बता दिया डेल्टा एच की वैल्यू निगेटिव क्यों आई. डेल्टा एच की वैल्यू निगेटिव इसीलिए आई. सेकंड पॉइंट, डेल्टा वी मिक्सिंग दैट इक्वल टू नॉट इक्वल टू 0, दैट इज द लेस देन 0, दैट इज नेगेटिव. वैल्यूम यहाँ घट जाएगा. वैल्यूम घट जाएगा मतलब 10 + 5 मिलाएंगे तो 15 नहीं आएगा, 15 से कम आएगा. वाई? बिकॉज देयर इज द वीकर फोर्स before the mixing, and after the mixing there is the stronger force is formed between A and B. So stronger force form, then volume decreases. A B को खींच लेगा तो वॉल्यूम घट जाएगा. मिक्स करने के बाद वॉल्यूम घट जाएगा, and hence delta V is less than 0. And they do not follow the Raoult's law, means the value of PA is less than 0. Why? क्योंकि पहले फोर्स वीकर था, बाद में जो फोर्स बन रहा है स्ट्रांगर बन रहा है. स्ट्रांगर फोर्स बनेगा तो ए और बी के बीच में वेपराइजेशन, ए फोर्स मुश्किल से टूटेगा, तो वेपराइजेशन कम होगा, और वेपराइजेशन जब कम हो जाएगा तो वेपर प्रेशर की वैल्यू भी घट जाएगी. मीन्स पी ए इज लेस देन पी नॉट ए इंटू एक्स ए, और पी बी इज लेस देन पी नॉट बी इंटू एक्स बी. And the example of negative deviation, that is the chloroform and benzene. Chloroform, benzene, acetone and chloroform, means chloroform plus benzene. This is the first example. Acetone plus chloroform. Some more example like water and hydrochloric acid, water and nitric acid. So these all are example of non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Now we can also explain here chloroform and acetone. या क्लोरोफार्म बेंजीन अगर ले लिया जाए तो क्लोरोफार्म में ये जो फोर्स है that is the weaker force, and benzene, that is the non-polar molecule, that is also weaker force. But in after mixing there is the stronger force is formed, and due to formation of stronger force, attraction force increases, vaporization decreases, and vapor pressure is decreases. So that is the non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. And there is also same graph like to this. xa equal to 1, xb equal to 0, xa equal to 0, xb equal to 1. Here is the mole fraction and vapor pressure. Similarly, this xa equal to 1, then that is the P naught A, xb equal to 1, then P naught B. So that is the negative deviation. So that is the for ideal solution. So graph is comes out for like this. This. So this is for non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. So that is the ideal and non-ideal solution. Now next topic is aziotrophs, or that is also known as azeotropic mixture, or that is also known as constant boiling mixture. Means if we mix two liquid of different boiling point, then that can be separated by fractional distillation. But if you take azeotropic mixture, means that is possible only at a constant composition, and after mixing to it, that cannot be separated by fractional distillation, because both liquids are boiled at the same temperature. दो लिक्विड को मिला दिया जिसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट अलग अलग है, और कहा जाए दोनों को अलग करो, तो उसको हम फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन, सिंपल डिस्टिलेशन से अलग कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर एक कांस्टेंट कंपोजिशन में अगर वो एजियोट्रॉपिक मिक्सचर बन गया, एंड दैट इज पॉसिबल ओनली एट द कांस्टेंट कंपोजिशन, देन देयर इज नो चांस फॉर द सेपरेशन ऑफ बोथ लिक्विड, बिकॉज बोथ बॉयल एट द सेम टेम्परेचर. जो इवापोरेशन होगा उसमें दोनों कंपोनेंट एक ही टेम्परेचर पे इवापोरेट कर जाएंगे. Such type of mixture is known as azeotropic mixture, or also known as constant boiling mixture or azeotrophs. So here we can define the azeotrophs, that is the liquid mixture which boils at the same temperature without undergoing any change in composition, known as azeotrophs or azeotropic mixture or constant boiling mixture. एक ही टेम्परेचर पर दोनों लिक्विड बॉयल कर जाएगा अगर वो कांस्टेंट कंपोजिशन का है तो. ऐसा हर कंपोजिशन पे नहीं बनेगा, एक पर्टिकुलर कंपोजिशन पे बनेगा एजियोट्रॉपिक मिक्सचर. सो दैट बॉयल्स एट द सेम टेम्परेचर. दैट इज ऑफ two types. azeotropic mixture, that is two type. One is the minimum boiling azeotrophs. Minimum boiling azeotroph. Minimum boiling azeotrophs, that is shown by non-ideal solution showing positive deviation, means in which cases vapor pressure is increases. As you should know that vapor pressure increases, it means boiling point. Vapor pressure increases, it means boiling point decreases. So the minimum boiling azeotrophs are shown by those liquid pairs which show non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. Very good example, if you take water and ethyl alcohol. Water, that is ethyl alcohol, is taken 95.5%, remaining is water. And you know that the boiling point, suppose water is A and that is the B, ethyl alcohol is B. So percentage of B is 95%, that is 95.5%, and the boiling point of A, that is 373 Kelvin, that is the boiling point of water, 373 Kelvin, and B, that is the boiling point of B, that is 351.3 Kelvin, 351.3 Kelvin, and azeotropic temperature, azeotropic boiling point, मिक्स करने के बाद जो एजियोट्रॉपिक बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आएगा इन दोनों से कम आएगा. That's why its name is minimum boiling azeotroph. So that is 351.1 Kelvin. That is the boiling point of azeotropic mixture. That is 351.1 Kelvin. तो 95.5% अल्कोहल, बाकी वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 373 केल्विन, अल्कोहल का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 351.3 केल्विन, एंड आफ्टर द मिक्सिंग जो एजियोट्रॉपिक मिक्सचर विच इज फॉर्म that while at the 351.1 Kelvin, it means at this temperature both liquids are evaporated. So there is the formation of azeotropic mixture, and that is, in this case, boiling point is decreases of both the liquids. That's why its name is minimum boiling azeotroph. Now second is maximum boiling azeotroph. Maximum boiling azeotroph. This is shown by non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Negative deviation means in which the vapor pressure of solution decreases as compared to pure solvent or pure form. Since vapor pressure is decreases and hence the boiling point is increases, and that's why its name is maximum boiling azeotroph. There is also one example is water, HCl, and suppose this is the A and that is the B, and the percentage of B, that is 20.20%. 20.20% is B, means HCl is taken 20.20% and remaining is water. Then boiling point A we know that is 373 Kelvin. Boiling point B of the HCl, that is 188 Kelvin, and azeotropic temperature, azeotropic boiling point means after mixing the boiling point that become 383 Kelvin. 383 Kelvin means boiling point of azeotropic mixture, that is increases from both solvent A, means that is the water, as well as B, and that's why its name is maximum boiling azeotrophs. So here one important thing is that azeotropic mixture is not formed as any concentration, that is the form only at a particular composition, and if there is the formation of azeotropic mixture, then that cannot be separated by the fractional distillation.